Good afternoon, students. Wanted to just talk with you on a Friday afternoon and let you know how much I appreciate everybody's been doing. I know that this transition to the e-learning has not been easy for you. It hasn't been for anybody. In fact, I was just talking to Mrs. Jokums and Mr. Miller today that in some ways for us it's uh, been a whole lot more difficult than what we ever thought it would be. I think there are some really good benefits to it, and certainly right now, given the circumstances, I think that the more we stay into a routine that makes sense and that we stay focused on what we're doing, I think the better off we'll be in the long run. The only thing that I ask students, just make sure that you're sharing with your teachers how things are going. If you have any questions, be asking those questions. Do it in a way so that there's productivity. If the teachers are like me, I am getting inundated with a ton of emails. And so, however that looks, if you can be efficient with those communication styles, whatever it looks like, please try to help out and make sure that you ask good, relevant questions and maybe ask them explicitly so that you can understand or that you know that the teacher can understand where you're at and what you don't understand so they can help you through that process. Again, just want to say thank you for your commitment to your education because really your decisions are yours to make with this, and what you get out of it is what you put into it, and there's no other way that we can really be doing our job for you right now. So I appreciate your efforts, and I want you to have a great weekend. Thanks.